Any money from ChatGPT involves leveraging its capabilities to generate income through various methods. Here are some ways you can do so to get money from ChatGPT. Here are some ways. Come along with me. If you stay till the end, you'll be able to get every detail of the information we're about to offer this day. Okay, monetization strategies from any money from ChatGPT. This involves content creation. You can create content using ChatGPT. You can write blogs. You can write YouTube scripts. You can write social media content. You can sell as much services to a client and even create your own content and monetize it with ads and sponsorship. You can go ahead and create digital products such as like the one I have here right now. It's an ebook, and it's an ebook. I just wrote in story of a young family surviving the difficulty in Nigeria, and the ChatGPT now responded with, here is a story about a young Nigerian family navigating and surviving the challenges of life in modern day Nigeria. So here is the story. Title is Rays of Echo. So it's a story that of a scene that it happened in Lagos. Okay, it happened in Lagos, Nigeria. As you can see, a bustling neighborhood of Ajegunle, Lagos. So there's a story that was able to be generated using ChatGPT. Moving on. So that's an ebook you can use ChatGPT to create. You can go ahead and create templates or worksheets using ChatGPT and sell them online. You can go ahead and do coding and development using ChatGPT. Utilize ChatGPT's coding abilities to develop apps, plugins, or websites and sell them, or offer developmental services to clients. Other services that you can use ChatGPT to do is marketing and advertisement. Use ChatGPT to generate engaging emails, social media content, or sales copy to help businesses improve their marketing efforts. Other things you can equally use ChatGPT to do is to generate business ideas and planning. Okay, ChatGPT helps you brainstorm a business idea, create business pitches, and develop marketing strategies. There are other things that ChatGPT can equally help you to do to generate money. It can help you to do freelancing and consultation services. Gone are the days that you depend on people that will help you do a copywriting, email marketing, or social media, anything. These days, or even consulting, these days you can use ChatGPT to set these freelancing and consultation jobs up and running. You can set up an agency. You can set up a book agency. You can set up anything that you can think of. You can set up a consulting firm choosing a particular niche. Okay, opportunities such as affiliate marketing. You can use ChatGPT to do affiliate marketing. You can use ChatGPT to do data sets, partnerships, and equally